Hey everybody, in this video we're going to do a duplicate flip key for a 2017 Ford F-250. And I'm going to use our Condor Dolphin and the Xhorse key reader skimmer. So I got the app pulled up here. We're going to go ahead and connect. Turn Bluetooth on here. Connect to the Dolphin first. And then we'll go to optical identification. And we're doing Ford HU101 10 cut. Connect to our reader. And we'll identify the bitting on the key here. Okay, it actually sends a picture of the key so we can take a look at it and visually inspect to make sure that it read it right. Okay, everything looks good on it, so now we can go ahead and just send it to the machine and cut it. So it's got inputted in, hit cut. Alright, so cut one side over here. I'll go and show you. So if you can read bitting it from a picture there, you can see that it looks like it's cut correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the other side, and then I will go test it. Alright, so we got both sides cut, and we'll head over to the truck here, make sure it works. And we'll end the video here so I can go ahead and program it and make it actually start the truck here. So I'll head over to the truck. Works the door perfectly. And just make sure that it turns the ignition. And perfect. So now all that's left to do is just program it, and it's good to go. So that's using the new Xhorse key reader skimmer to duplicate an HU101 10 cut blade. And questions, comments, leave them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.